Good morning, cyber traders. Welcome back on today's Thursday, 9 o'clock in the morning, as usual. 30 minutes of the market opened up. Got a lot of stuff going on, a couple of earnings. We heard what happened with the Fed rate, everything else. Everything looks safe, but again, a couple of nice little pops. Some of the stocks have got pretty beat up. Some of the, the crowd strikes, the Amazons, the all of them that had their bad news came out, had some nice bounce. I'm going to check them out. I know some of you are also looking pretty good on this BBLG. This one's doing pretty nicely too. Nice little move. I mean, what a really nice stock. It was one of the stocks we traded yesterday in the afternoon. And where the hell's my mouse? There we go. I'm like, why am I getting lost here? There we go. So, the stock had a nice move yesterday about 130, and then all of a sudden you could see a nice little pop there from $1.80 up to about 220. And now we had that nice little move right here, 6 o'clock in the morning. And right around 8 o'clock, right around 8:15, nice little 320 up to about 350. Still looks pretty strong. We're going to check out level 4. Once we're ready and, we get more into it, I'll show you a little bit more about what I see on that one. But definitely a lot of good stuff that happened yesterday. I want to kind of point out something that was really nice. Yesterday, I want to bring this up really quick. Let me bring this up. Hello. By the way, did everybody see the video I posted yesterday on my social media? I don't know if everyone had a chance to watch it. Let me just bring this up really quick right here. And this was a great video I just posted. And where is it? Oops, my reels. Where's my reels? Right here. This right here. So this one right here that I just posted yesterday, this was a great video if you want to watch, if you want to see how stocks don't break resistance levels. But this video right here, if you had to have a chance to watch it, go back. We just posted up on right there. I know it's on Instagram, but we'll post it up. It's on YouTube. I think it's on YouTube. I didn't post on YouTube yet. I don't think I did. But it is on TikTok. I will post on YouTube. But this stock was a great example. If you want to learn level 4, definitely watch it. Stock never passed that 67. And that was the PayPal trade. That was a absolute great short, great trade. Unbelievable order. When you guys get a chance, definitely watch it. It was a great move on that. But anyway, regarding about what happened, where is it now? PYPL. Yeah, never, ever wanted to get past that 67 price range. That was a great run up, and it was a great little short right there. But anyway, there's a couple of stocks we did trade yesterday. I want to bring them up and show them up to. I want to show them really quick. And what do we have that yesterday did pretty well? We had a lot of stocks. So NVIDIA had a nice little move yesterday, nice little pop after testing that 100 move, a little on the expensive side. But, you could always trade. You always could have traded the ETFs. There was a lot of ETFs, NVDL and all them, right? And it was NVDL, NVDA, right? Yeah, NVDL. That's it. So there was a couple of ETFs that you could have traded out there. Those obviously did pretty well. Tesla did really well. You didn't have to buy Tesla. You could have just traded TSLL. That stock did pretty well. So a lot of them did really well. And the thing was this, Amazon had earnings that was the day before, and you could see how it had it ricocheted and gapped up. And now that went up pretty well. So that's coming back to, pretty close to that 190 resistance levels right around here. If we can break this, we can go back to 200. So I you know what? I sold my Amazon. I might buy it back. We'll see if it gets past this 190. That's basically is where I sold it, where I'll probably buy it back. But, listen, they came out with some interesting earnings. They all did pretty well. Microsoft, same thing. And same thing with AMD. They all were out there. But there were other stocks that did pretty well. Sava was a nice little move. That thing moved up really nice all day, went from 18 up to a high of 22. She's up again this morning. And this stock, if you look here on the long-term chart, the stock has not only been a good day trade, but it's been a good swing trade. She has been doing really well. And, just absolutely a great moving stock right there. That one I'm going to put back on the watch list, SAVA. Another one, you know what? I sold it. I bought it back. The ASTS is doing absolutely wonders. So, you know what? I got nervous when we had this big run up and it ran all the way up here to about 20 and it came back down to 16, ended up getting out at 19. I ended up buying it back at 20. Okay. I'm really ticked off on that. But I got nervous because it went up because a lot of us, we only hear 14. we were watching this stock when it was at 3. We traded, we day traded, then it broke all-time highs. But the ASTS is obviously looking really strong right here. That stock had a great run yesterday. What a really, really nice push right there. So, yeah, I got in 19. I'm right here. So finally came back. So that one did pretty well. Anyway, that one, ASTS, nice little mover stock right there. And the news is actually great on it. You know, they finally, I love the news. They finally delivered some satellites. That was pretty good. This stock also is going back on the watch list, LUMN. This stock has not only been a great day trade, it's been a phenomenal swing trade. Dollar stock, things up to $3. You could see it. The thing is just unbelievable. I'm a little concerned about it. I'm going to warn everyone right now. It's going up a little too fast. On the day, not terrible. But that long-term chart, you're talking it's up about 100%, 150%. I'll be a little concerned, but it's very tradable. Nice little mover. You could see when it came out of the gate, it took a big dive right here at 10 o'clock, and it finally went up. Finally, when it got to that high right there of 275, you could see it's like, oh my God, all day holding 275, went to $3. You know, that's not really our style of trading. But you know what? It did okay, and that's fine. Another stock that pretty much does it. Now let's go over here on the big gainers. Let's see. Let's check out what's going on. So we got the stock BBLG, which is moving up pretty nicely right here. We're gonna go check out the level 4 and show you what's going on. So right now we're taking out this guy right now at 370. You can see it right here. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, and you can see big green ball. That means that order got filled. Looks like $4 could be the next resistance levels. And this is only pre-market, cyber traders. I know we have some people here watching on social media, and they're probably like, where are you getting all this stuff from? Listen, if you want to come join the trading room on the top left-hand corner, oops, I don't have it up there for you. They give you a QR code. You can just join us. Click on that little QR code on the top left-hand corner. You can join our trading room. But we're here all day. But that stock for some of you here, doing pretty well. Eli Lilly, news came out on that, right? What happened? Yeah, up 31%. So Eli Lilly, I got out of that stock. That's pretty big news right there. Josh is posting news on Eli Lilly. I got out at 900. I thought it was going to get to 1,000. It dropped on the 800. I might buy it back, you know. But Eli Lilly has not been doing well lately. So that one, and did it help with the other stock? No, it didn't help out with Nuvo. What about the ETF? Did it help out with the ETF, the drug stock? OZEM. Yeah, there it is. No, I sold that one too. We'll keep an eye on Eli Lilly. We'll put that on the watch list. LLY. All right. What else that we got going on over here in the big gainers? So we have this IMRX right here, this stock right here. Okay, we got a little bit of a bunch of iceberg orders hovering here around $2, which is, thing is not really doing too much. This stock, I like it because it took a big hit down from 7 and it's all the way down here. So this one is okay. IMRX. You know, listen, it's got 11, almost 12 million shares in pre-market. That's what we're really looking for. The stock is ugly on the chart. Not really that much action. Garbage. FBL, it's an ETF. Not going to really see too many orders on that. All right, down to 13%, 12%. EVGO, I saw this one. So EVGO is a pretty big iceberg order right around here. You can see here around 4,865. And then there's another one, 490. So we can see where we're at with that one, where the orders are. Guy's been out there all day. Took out that order out there at $4. So nice little move on that stock right there. I like it. Volume, okay. Spread might be a little tricky. Okay. We have to see how it opens up. But EVGO, give it a shot. It's been a really nice little move since July. $2 stock, up about 100%. Not bad. All right, now there was a pretty good loser out here I want to point out. This one wasn't it. This is not the one I'm looking at. I think it was a brand name out there that got killed. Oh, Moderna, that was it. So Moderna, I guess earnings did not look good for Moderna. Hey, listen, Moderna was a great stock. You know what's funny about Moderna? If you go back COVID, the day before COVID took off, like around November, when was it? Was it February, March? I was on NASDAQ. I did a presentation there, and I was showing Moderna when it was at $25, $27. Stock was just like crazy, just absolutely nuts. Well, We all know what happened to Moderna. It went to about 500. That's basically the COVID shot that everybody was selling. But it does look like Moderna is doing pretty well. Who's getting a COVID shot? Moderna doesn't have something else. I mean, it's not really doing too well. So that was a pretty good short on Moderna. And is it a buy soon? You know what? It could hit some support level. We got support levels here. We got 80s. We got in the hundreds. So I'm going to put it on the watch list. MRNDA. So we'll keep an eye on that one. That's a pretty big one. I saw this one as a brand name, but it's not doing too well. New York Stock Exchange. I didn't really see too much out there. I didn't see that much going on in New York. Nuva. That means an energy stock. RSI. This one's coming down. Earnings announcements on T. But it's not, I don't know. The spread doesn't look that good. I'm not really crazy about that. Wayfair is not doing too well. Wayfair earnings came out on Wayfair. That one's got a little bit of a bounce right there. We could put Wayfair on there. I haven't, funny. We never trade Wayfair. I don't think we ever trade Wayfair in the Cyber Group room, right, traders? I don't think we ever trade. Very rarely, I think I ever traded. It did great during COVID. I mean, you could see here, if I go back, it went to $350. That was a great run in COVID. Nobody had nothing to do. His stock was 22. Look at that big run up on that stock right there. That's a COVID run right there, baby. And then obviously, when everything got better, everybody stopped using Wayfair. I think I bought something for the first time on Wayfair during COVID. If you watch my home living channel and I teach you how to build a garden, I actually bought an arch, to go into my garden. I got my cucumbers growing on it. I got to take a picture of it. Thing's crazy, but I think it's the only thing I ever bought on Wayfair. But all right, so that's pretty much does it. There's not that much going on right now. Couple of brand name stocks, and that's about it. Is this a buyout right here? Yeah, it's probably a buyout. Not really going anywhere when a flat like that. I didn't really see that much. So the list is kind of light. A couple of brand name stocks out there. I don't know. Is there anything else? Anything else? Anybody that I see out there that I'm missing? Anybody on social? Let me check you guys over here. That pretty much does it. All right. So, all right, guys. So tomorrow I will be doing an open house. We're going to do something different. Usually we do it on Thursdays. So I know some of you guys look expected for today. We're going to do it on a Friday. So hopefully everybody could join us tomorrow. If you want to come and join the trading room, if you don't want to wait till tomorrow, you always have that little QR code. You can join our trading room, register for it. Make sure you do that. Cyber traders, as always, you see something, you say something like we always say. And if you're a new trial member in the Cyber Group room, we just have 3 words: look, listen, and learn. Don't buy anything. Just watch the traders, how they think for themselves. And this is something you want to do. You got to learn from them and see if they could do it, you could do it. But you got to learn before you could earn. So just stick around. Don't do anything. Just make sure you did your walkthroughs, did your orientation with the staff at CTU. So when you're in the trading room, you can have the best, you can appreciate what's going on and understand what's going on. In the meantime, everyone, we'll see you back here in about 15 minutes when the market opens up. So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.